Family. Everybody have a person who them have to depend on. You get what me I say? So nobody worry about that part type there, brother. What me want you to do is fix things with your baby mother. When I say check your account.
You know, it's a big man thing about a week now still.
We'll fix things there, so. You just take care of your personal things, them fam. Nobody worry about the business. We will take care of that. If you want a new therapist tomorrow, we will take care of that again. Just don't give Pink Boss the number. You get to me and say, I know him turn already. Brother, me don't want you to worry about nothing. Me want by the end of the month, you walk and come link with. And that me a talk about, brother.
You don't know, you know. We just a pass through, quick and fast. Make you know so we start out everything and we see what's going on with you. We will link you back forward for the next day, bro. You see me? So I move. Yeah, man. You don't know. You see a real friend them, youth.
Oh, the chap.
You see a real friend them? Nah, left you out. We have a day from day 0 and day 1 we there from.
You know that, man. I want to tell you, man. That's
so you know a code?
Yeah. Code never change.
Never.
Never.
You know a code. Kind of come down.
So I just want to know still. Your family will deal with it right.
Bro, I'm not get me wrong, you know. You want to hear me a cuss and a talk about dependent and rare, you know. Them check for me, dog. Them look out for me more than I look out for myself. You see, I'll Tony and she come like a water, like a look police.
Eh? So she a gone? Quick.
Can't explain.
As your name?
Yo, no.
Oh, quick and come out of the chair, my friend. Dada! Look how we da mash up Karim.
Karim there, take care of man, I know, eh?
Yeah, man.
Tell you, man. This is life, my friend.
Yo,
Yo.
go with that.
Next time fall on the ground,
Say yo.
you have to move quick. Not in a one chair.
You talk about next time. I want to reach in and outside in the wheel.
Brother, outside walk, brother.
Just tell me what time if you send the tickets forward. That's me. You see me?
Send it.
I keep on and keep
No, man, I want to man. The third leg still at work. And just the first 2 now work.
Go down to the info.
Quick!
Yeah, we're outside.
Go on.
Link up, man. You don't know. Looking at a phone and a car. When I chat boring and see what time it is. So much digital stuff. So big, a big man, a woman I've been in my life, like a money up. You're pretty. Oh, sorry, let me stand over that, make it your woman. Pretty. Good evening. I know you're not too in me still, but when I get a voice note, just link me here, babes.
Yeah, we smoke. Yeah. I need you to shadow me at the seminar to the Spanish town. Yeah, man. I have a feeling, say, the youth them are going to out, because all heap of phones are go out. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, man, me leave out now. Alright, see you.
I'm making no excuses. I know where I've been. watching you fall, watching you fall down in the jungle, watching you fall back to the roots, babe, 'cause I want it all. Hearing all these voices when the shadows fall down in the jungle.
Yeah, Whisper, you there?
Yeah, bossy, me there.
Alright. Just keep your eye open.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, Whisper.
Bossy, Spain town there.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What them there?
Check 6 o'clock.
Mr. Vicious.
Check 3 o'clock.
Mr. Itis. So what the next one?
Yeah, you might not see Butcher because him there out of frame.
Alright.